Hello, today gonna be discussing how to create a business manager account. You want to have more details about why we should use business manager instead of normal ad account for Facebook. You can check on the link on the description. I did a video on that previously, so you can check it out and to see why business manager is important. And yeah, creating is quite easy, but let's get into it. Hi, to go to the to create a business manager account, just go to this website, facebook.com/create. There, this is the page that you create the business manager. So you can have individual companies, have each one have individual business manager, or you can have all one business manager for your company. For example, if you're an agency and you want to run multiple like companies, or you're a business that have a multiple business, then you want to link it all together, you can have one main business manager to run for these different kind of business. So currently I just will create one which is for just for one of the businesses. So you just create account. I just follow one by one, step by step. You just go to your account name, maybe and this is my email address. Yeah, and then you fill in your information, my address, the countries. I'm from Malaysia, street address, city, zip code, and your website. This is, you need the website, but if you don't have a website, just put your Facebook as website. Yeah, and then you just click submit. And I do not want to create a new one because I already have a few, so I just go to a blank new one so that you can see. Okay, so this is a brand new, not to say brand new, just that I have this startup, but then I did not do much of a marketing for this yet because we are still ongoing product validation. And yeah, so you can see it's empty. The pages is only one page, and then there's no ad account. So to put everything in place, you go to burger icon. Okay, you will see that all these creative hub, ad manager, I mean, even me myself also don't know all these things yet, but the one that we use quite often is business manager, ad manager, um, pixels, business, all these assets. Once you have more assets, you have videos, pictures, there's full of assets you can use even for your targeting and things like that. Just that it's not here because custom targeting, custom audience is only available once you have ad account. So you go to business settings, you can go to that main page. Let me press back. So you can go to this main page to maybe like create this ad account or create ad account. But this is one place I can see everything. But sometimes you want to have more details, you just go to business settings and then you see everything here. So you see the people, partners. So to add more people, just add, and you find the email address. Remember to enter the email address of the Facebook profile. That means it must be the same. You can use different, but you will have some complication later when you want to connect the accounts. This is just an advice for me because I tried it for one of my customer where they give me a email address which is being used by another account, but he want to log in for another account. Yeah, it sounds confusing, but yeah, at the end I'm unable to add both of them, and it got a lot of problems. So use the email address of your Facebook profile. You can change it later, but make sure to get your Facebook profile in first so that you can be able to log into your business manager. So you get employee access. If you are not an employee, if you're the main admin, you put as an admin. If not, you just put as employee access. So this is one of the remember. Okay, then just for example, just send next. You can immediately assign the assets to the people. So I can put as a admin. There's a different admin, editor. Editor is just to edit like content and things like that. Moderator, so I'm not gonna remember what, because I seldom see a moderator. Advertiser, that means you can handle, you do advertising in this account. Analysis is just to view and take out data. You cannot do much, you cannot edit or change anything. Admin, you have the full range. You can do a lot of things with this admin. So you put page admin. Then add accounts I don't have yet. I'll show you how to add this. Then you just invite. Done. Then this thing will be sent to the email of the person, and then they will receive it and they'll come in. Just in case if you cannot, or this person's email didn't receive the invitation, you can just go resend invitation, and then there's a link here. All you have to do is just copy the link and then just message the person, whether through WhatsApp or email, this link to them, and once they just click, let me for example open this. All you have to do is just fill up the name and things like that and just press continue. Then you're done. Okay, but make sure to log in the profile first. Like now I'm using my own personal profile, and if I were to click continue, then you'll see double name. It'll be very confusing. So better everything you do it right the first time, and then you have less complications. Yep, done. Then partners is for you to add different business manager. So currently I have no partners. It's all the same thing. Once you go to each page, you have to add a page, whether get access to the page. Like I'm having this another page is just example this page, then I add page, okay? Or you can just request access. That means you don't have full access to the page. I mean, you're not the admin of the page, you just have the access. Create new page is pretty straightforward for you to create new page. Then to assign partners, you just have to go add people. And then you see, once you put more people inside here, the users portion, people, then you have a long list here, and you can just add them, assign the role, add them in, add them in, add them in. Assign partner, same thing as well. Once you have partners, you assign the role for them, add them in, add them in, add them in, easy. Then go to add accounts. You need 3 things to run Facebook ads: Facebook profile, Facebook page, and Facebook account. Add accounts. So you need an ad account. So for now I don't have, just add one. So it's whether I get access to other people's ad account or I create a new ad account. You just follow exactly what is written here, whether Malaysian ringgit or ad account name. Then after that you have to fill in. Okay, let me just put one. This is this Malaysian one. Okay, account. Malaysian ringgit. All this name you can change later on, but just make it the name so that you can easily remember, so that you don't get confused. Next. So this one will be my business. Great. Then you put myself as a role. Same thing when you want to add, you just request add account, the number, ask for the number is here. This ID is the number. This is the add account number. If you go to a page, this is the page ID. So in case if people they were to ask, give me a page ID, give me add account ID, this is all the IDs, the important IDs. Okay. So you get the view payment method. This is for you to add the payment method. Then you add the payment method here, and then you're done. The pages, same thing. All the pages notifications is what kind of notification you want to receive. Add accounts. So we have one. You can add more people if you want to. You can manually add them as well here. So yeah. Business info. Okay, once you created this, of course, it doesn't mean that you cannot change anything. Just that it's be around deleting it is difficult. You're not able to delete business manager. I don't think so. So you go to business info. You can permanently delete, but I don't know why I tried to delete it. It's still in one of my account. This is not the one. I have another business manager that I wanted to delete, but I just cannot delete them. So you can change the name Oh yeah, when you do this, you need to have a primary page as well. So for this, I pick my page as this primary page. Then when you edit, you can change the name, change the primary page, and things like that. Then so I created it on 30th November 2018. This is my email. Yeah, all this can edit. Mouse payments. This is request. I'm inviting this person, which is me, to come into here, send token of invitation, send token of invitation, receive. So this is a basic of business manager, creating business manager, and how to add your ad account, how to add your pages inside it. Ad pages, as I show you, you just have to request access or ad page. Sometimes you need a number, will do. This is the ID, if you can get it there. Okay, that's all. Hope that it helps. It's just a very simple step-by-step guide to create your business manager so that you can manage all your pages and accounts all in, and your personnel assets all in one location. So I hope this help, and do like and support this channel, subscribe, and I talk to you next time. Bye bye.